yn gweithio i'r Ymddiriedolaeth Genedlaethol ar safleoedd gwahanol ar draws Llŷn. A dros y mis dwytha, dwi wedi cael cyfle i testio beic, dwi wedi mynd i Plas y Rhyw, a dwi wedi mynd i'r swyddfa yn Cwrt yn Uwchmynydd, ac mae wedi bod yn wych. Dwi'n byw yn Dirbyniog, felly mae wedi cymryd tua 40 munud i fi y siwrna lle. A mae wedi bod yn ffordd wych o gychwyn a gorffen y diwrnod gwaith, rili. Bach o ymarfer corff, bach o fresh air, a gwybod bod fi'n gwneud rhywbeth da wrth defnyddio'r car, y llaeth.
So I rode home that day and I absolutely loved it. It was like the most fun I'd had in ages, and I just couldn't wait to commute to work. So yeah, I commuted to work for well over a month on it. And it would tell me, if you do it as a commute, it tells you how much carbon that you're saving. So every time I cycle to work, it's about 7 miles, I was saving something like 2.5 kilograms of carbon. And I just thought it was like the best thing ever. And also, honestly, like cycling to work, it took a tiny bit extra, but not much. But it was just so much more fun. I'd be cycling the whole way with a smile on my face. Even if it was raining, I had the best time going to work. I really loved it. So we went to places that we'd normally drive to for like breakfast. So I'd go and cycle for 13 miles easily, have my breakfast and then cycle home for 13 miles. So we were using like local businesses that we'd always use, but without, I was saving on fuel. It was just great.
Yn sicr, swn i'n argymell cael go ar y beics trydan i unrhyw un, a dwi'n bendant wedi sbio fewn yn y dyfodol i weld os ydw i brynu beic trydan yn hyn a cael defnyddio llai a llai o'r car.